This 2019 Forest River Riverstone Legacy 38 RE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 83 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.